channel. Here we are back again with one more interesting interview questions, and as you can see here we have to find the names of employees who are working in IT, HR manager and sales department with the CEO name. So here if we start doing like this, if we select Rahul and just do copy paste and then come here, it will take lots of time. So I have found out one more way by which we can do it easily. Like what we will be doing it, we will be using filter function. As you can see, I use the filter function, and now I'll be selecting the first row, fixing it. After that, selecting the department name, and then again selecting the whole, and what we want it, we want for IT department, and we have done it. We got all the names of employees who are working in every department, and as you can see there is no one person who is working as an CEO, so it has came as no calculations. And there is one more questions for interview, like we have to find, there are names given in like this, like Rahul Gandhi, Narendra Modi, Sheila Dixit. We have to find out the first name, last name, first name. So how we can do it, I will be just sharing you. Like if we just write it like Rahul, and then by pressing Control E, you, as you can see, every first name of that employee name we have got it. Now we want the last name, same Control E, and we got everything. Now suppose if we want the Gandhi should come first and the Rahul should come back, how we can write it? Gandhi, Rahul, and then again Control E. As you can see it, we have got it for everything, every person. Now we want to write the G, like Rahul Gandhi G. So how will we be writing? Like Rahul Gandhi G. Then again Control E. As you can see, we have got it for everything. Now if we want to remove the spaces, like Rahul space Gandhi, and we have to fill it with some other thing like blanks, like dash, anything. So we can write as Rahul this and Gandhi. Then again Control E, and you can see the spaces have been removed. This is known as flash fill, and we can do it by using Control E. Now last question of interview, we have to find out the sum of every table, and what we used to do, we used to take alt is equal to, and then it will be doing it for everyone, but it will take quite long time. So what we can do is just remove this, and just also remove this. Now select every table where we want, and just do it alt is equal to, and we will be getting it for everyone in just a few seconds. So this is all for just today, and if you have liked our video, and if you think that our channel is doing a great thing for learning, for making you learn Excel, and if you have liked our video, then please subscribe our channel for further updates. We will be coming like this for more interesting videos. Thank you and bye bye for today.